In this video, I am going to demonstrate how to make 8 at a time half square triangles. So I have 2 squares of fabric, and I'm going to place these squares right sides together. Then I am going to draw a diagonal line on the wrong side of one of the squares going both directions. So you are basically drawing an X. Now my next step, you can't really see that, but the lines are there. The next step will be to sew 1/4 inch on each side of those lines. So I'm going to sew a 1/4 inch here, here, a 1/4 inch here, and here. Okay, so you can see that I have, you might be able to see it better on this side. You can see that I have stitched on either side of that where that line was and on this side. So my next step is going to be to take my ruler, and I'm going to place the ruler on that line, and I'm going to cut slowly and carefully. And then I'm going to cut across the opposite diagonal. Slowly and carefully. And then I am going to cut in a cross shape. So I will line up my ruler so that that is straight there, that is straight there, and it's going across that center point. And then I will switch it and I will do the same thing going in the opposite direction. Now this is when it's very handy to have a rotating mat. But if you don't have a rotating mat, then you can carefully shift the fabric, or you can just kind of maneuver yourself around. All right, so I've cut my X, I've cut my cross, and there are my 8 half square triangles. Now, once I have cut my half square triangles, I will then press them, and then I will trim them to size. So typically with this method, you are making half square triangles that are slightly larger than what you will need. And once you've cut them apart, you then trim them to the size that you need them to be. So there you go. 8 at a time. Half square triangles. Easy peasy. Saves on fabric and saves you time.